Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook page. So in order to delete Facebook page, you will need to click on your menu right here and you will need to switch to your page. So I'm going to switch to my page right here by clicking that syncing kind of icon. Click on your menu again at the below right corner and just go ahead to the settings here at the top right. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click the page settings in the page section. Scroll a little bit down until you find the access and control in the Facebook page information. Click on it and you will see one option only, which is deactivation and deletion. So I'm going to just continue into selecting deleting the page, proceed, and select the reason why, and just say whatever reason that you want. Just go ahead and continue. If you want to save posts in your archive or download information, just go ahead and do that. Continue to delete the account, add your password, and now you deleted your Facebook page. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.